Why long-term thinking wins. Money Not Math, episode number 160. Markets can feel like a roller coaster. The ups and downs are part of the ride, but jumping off midway can be costly. Here's a live look at the SP 500 the past 6 months so that you can get an idea of what I'm referencing. So here we're looking at, if you just Google SP 500, today the market's at 6,229.98. Back on April 8th, 2025, it was 4,982. Some investors reacted emotionally, making big changes to their portfolios because that doesn't look or feel very good. The problem, however, with reacting emotionally and making long-term decisions based on short-term results is that by July 3rd, the market had rebounded to over 6,284. Fast forward to July 3rd, so it kind of looks a little bit different based on where you fall on the scale here, but you'll see the 52-week high is 6,284.65. That's an increase of more than 26% in under 3 months. How much could that have costed you if you would have reacted emotionally? Now, this is exactly why I shared back at the end of March, my 5 strategies for navigating the market roller coaster, Money Not Math, episode 159. Because at that time, we could hear it, we see it, there's articles everywhere, there's people talking at the water cooler about how negative the market is and how terrible everything's going. And that's why it's so important to keep in mind and remember that retirement planning is not about reacting to every dip. It's about building a plan specifically for your goals and needs, then staying the course. Because long-term success is built on patience, not panic. If you're looking for a fiduciary financial advisor to help guide your retirement journey with clarity and confidence, I'd be honored to help. Let's build a plan that works for you no matter what the market does next. Be prepared for market volatility, not scared of it or reactive to it. Be prepared for tax planning. Be prepared for estate planning. Be prepared for protecting what you value most and your family and your legacy so that you can ride the ups without worrying about the downs. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Always consult a licensed professional before making investment decisions. If you'd like help building your retirement plan, you can contact me at 218-686-3170 or at drew@fivestonefinancial.com. I'd be happy to have a free consultation to determine if it makes sense for us to work together or if there's someone else that would meet your needs better. Either way, build a long-term plan focused on clarity and confidence, not reacting to short-term market volatility. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.